Number 1.
1972 Ford F100, price $9,900. This is a true one-owner survivor, originally purchased new in Charlotte, North Carolina, and has remained in the area its entire life. It has 90,000 miles and features a 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck is equipped with power steering and power brakes, maintaining its all-original condition with just one repaint. The red exterior and interior remain in great shape, with only minor imperfections, such as a missing fender molding and the need for a new carpet kit. The frame is exceptionally solid, showing minimal rust, making it a well-preserved classic. Mechanically, this F100 runs and drives fantastic, having just been driven recently. Everything functions as it should, including the blinkers, headlights, taillights, and wipers, without missing a beat. With its originality and well-maintained condition, this truck is a rare find for collectors and enthusiasts alike.
Number 2.
1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This is a classic square-body 2WD truck with 103,000 miles on the odometer. It features a sleek black exterior paired with a charcoal interior, giving it a timeless and bold look. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it is powered by a reliable 305 V8 engine mated to a TH350 transmission. The truck runs, drives, and stops as expected, maintaining its functionality despite its age.
While it shows some signs of use, including a few minor rust spots, the body remains solid overall.
A previous owner added a spray-in bed liner, enhancing durability and protecting the truck bed. This Chevy 1500 is in good condition and would make a great classic daily driver or restoration project for any enthusiast looking for a well-preserved vintage truck.
Number 3.
1991 Ford F250, price $9,000. This is a well-maintained diesel truck with 200,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 7.3 LIDI engine, an automatic transmission, and a dually swapped rear with 4x4 capability. The exterior is finished in silver, complemented by a blue interior. Significant maintenance and upgrades have been done to keep it running strong, including new glow plugs and a glow plug relay, ensuring reliable starts even in 20-degree weather. A high-torque starter, new alternator, vacuum pump, and master brake cylinder have also been installed. Additionally, it has a rebuilt oil cooler, a new lifter pump, and a 3-way cooling aluminum radiator. The truck is equipped with new bed lights, a light bar mounted on the front grille, and a fully functional air conditioning system that only requires a new belt. It runs and drives well, making it a dependable choice for work or off-road use.
Number 4.
1970 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, with 75,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a timeless white exterior paired with a blue interior. Under the hood, it features a powerful 327 engine equipped with Corvette heads and a performance cam, ensuring strong performance and a smooth driving experience. The truck runs and drives great, making it a solid choice for a daily driver or a weekend cruiser.
Structurally and mechanically, it is in good condition, though it does have some rust spots that will need attention over time. However, it remains a reliable and road-ready vehicle.
Whether kept in its current state or taken on as a restoration project, the Chevrolet 1500 offers a great combination of vintage character and dependable performance.
Number 5.
1985 Chevrolet K20, price $9,200, with 125,000 miles and a 350 cubic inch engine. It has been in the same family since the mid-1990s and remains highly restorable, with no previous bodywork. Featuring a black exterior and black interior, it comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck has received several recent upgrades, including a new starter, battery, radiator, hoses, spark plugs, and wires. A new power steering pump has also been installed, ensuring smooth handling. Originally used as a farm truck, it remains in working condition and is still occasionally used to haul a boat. The solid tires provide dependable traction, making it a reliable classic that's ready for restoration or continued use.
Number 6.
1983 Chevrolet C10, price $7,500, powered by a 305 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission. While the truck has accumulated 232,000 miles, the engine was replaced about 3 years ago, ensuring reliable performance. It features a lowered stance with a flipped rear end and heated front springs, providing a smooth ride without any scrubbing issues. The exhaust system has been upgraded with a Flowmaster, giving it a deep, aggressive sound. The truck sits on brand new 22-inch wire wheels and tires, but the original factory wheels and tires are also included.
The body is in good condition, though it is not a show truck. It offers a solid foundation for a classic cruiser or project build. Whether for weekend drives or further customization, the C10 runs well and has plenty of character. Number 7. 1990 Ford F150, price $5,200. This is a well-built and dependable truck with 185,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a strong 351W V8 engine paired with an automatic E4OD transmission, making it a reliable 2WD workhorse. The exterior is finished in tan, complemented by a matching tan interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. Originally used for hauling hay, this truck has some minor dents and scratches from years of use, but it remains structurally solid and mechanically sound. It has been driven daily and runs well, offering a smooth and powerful ride. Whether used as a dependable work truck or a fun weekend driver, it still has plenty of life left. Number 8. 1983 Ford F150, price $9,000. This is a well-preserved classic with only 78,000 original miles. It features a 300 CI engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering reliable performance. The truck has a brown exterior and a clean interior, with minimal rust, making it a great example of a vintage F150. It has been upgraded with brand new DJM drop beams and a flip kit, giving it a 3/5 drop for a sleek stance. It also sits on stylish 20-inch Detroit steel wheels, adding to its appeal. This Ford F150 drives smoothly and straight, making it a great option for a classic daily driver or a weekend cruiser. Its solid frame and well-maintained condition ensure it remains a strong and reliable truck. Number 9. 1995 Ford F150, price $6,500, with 280,000 miles on the body and a replaced engine and transmission with approximately 150,000 miles, though no paperwork is available. It features an automatic transmission, a green exterior, and a tan interior. The truck runs well and has minimal rust, with areas of paint chipping that have been primed to prevent further corrosion. It currently sits on a 4-inch lift, though a 2-inch lift or a more complete 4-inch setup would improve handling. A steering stabilizer is recommended if the 4-inch lift remains. Over the past year, minor improvements have been made, but overall, the truck doesn't need much. It remains a reliable daily driver with strong potential for further upgrades or customization. Number 10. 1985 Dodge D350, price $8,800, strong running truck with 104,000 miles, ready for a new owner. It is powered by a reliable 360 V8 engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering solid performance. The 4x4 system enhances its capability, making it a dependable choice for work or off-road use. The truck features a gray exterior with a matching gray interior, giving it a classic and rugged look. Overall, the truck is in good condition for its age and runs smoothly.